Everyone of you attended NoSQL class before? Okay.
ఎన్నన్నా ఇవ్వాలి మొత్తం ఇచ్చినా నాకు ఓకే నీకు అసలు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాల
Please be in mute.
మరి రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది
Venkatesh Reddy. Sorry, it's not high. So later I discuss about the Spark and Hive integration. Start -.
So, sir, before PySpark, also we need to start all these services.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Processing related, right? Processing related means like a resource manager, node manager. They should be running.
Okay.
So yeah. PySpark functions, inbuilt functions. Yes. So column transformations. For column transformations, we have got some inbuilt functions. Like we have got with the column function. It performs multiple operations with the column, right? So what it performs? We can perform the following. Using this, we can perform the following. First one, using this for changing the column data type, for changing column data type. For modifying or updating column value. For modifying or updating column value. Deriving new column. Deriving new column from the existing column. Renaming a column. Dropping a data frame column. Okay, these things you can perform, right? Yes, for example, I'll take some sample data. data equal to a list of employee ID. $50,000. For example, 2020 February 21 male, city Pune. One record. In the same way, I want multiple records. 102 Blake, 60,000. Date 2019 April, some date. Male, Hyderabad. One or two Blake, 60,000 net. Hyderabad. Some list of records in this way. Okay. First columns schema. Column names I want like this. Columns equal to the square bracket. First thing, employee ID, EMP ID. Next, EMP name. Salary. Join date. Okay, you got this data. Data frame equal to spark dot create. Spark dot create a data frame. Spark dot create a data frame, right? Yes. Data comma columns.
This is list of tuple, right?
Yeah, list of tuples. List of 4 tuples. Spark dot create data frame, data comma column names. LUMNS columns, right? Yes. Data frame creates. Okay, df dot show. Now changing the column data type. Changing the column data type. For changing the data type, we use a cast function. For changing the data type, we use the cast function with the column. df dot print schema. df dot print schema, right? Employee ID, employee name, salary, join date, all this. These are the data types. So now I want to change the column type, right? Column, for example, salary column is long type. I want to change to integer type. See salary. Okay. Changing the salary column. Changing the salary column data type, right? Yes. So here, what is it? We use a function called for changing. We use cast function along with column, right? So here I need to import from PySpark.sql, from PySpark.sql dot functions import col from PySpark.sql dot functions import col. I want to create a data frame, right? df dot with column, df dot with df dot with column, right? Salary. Salary at S capital. df dot with column salary. change df dot with column salary column. Df dot with column salary. If you want to column of which column, salary column. Uh, this salary column, right? Dot cast. You want dot cast. What type you want? Integer type. With the column salary, column of salary, dot cast of integer. Okay. Now df1 dot print schema. df1 dot print schema.
So what is the call here? COL? Is it implicit variable or what?
COL, okay, it's a okay, COL, right? The function for selecting a particular column. Cast is a function, COL is a call. So both selecting which column, right? We use this call and a cast of integer.
So cast function is used to be change the data type unit, right?
Yes. So here for changing the data type, we use cast function along with column. Okay.
Okay.
Next, observe here. Next one is modify and updating the column value. Next, using which column, what we can perform? Modifying or updating. Modifying or updating column value. Updating with a value. First is updating with a value. Updating based on condition. Updating based on condition. Updating with a value. Updating based on condition. For example, a small task. Incrementing the salaries. It's 20% hike. Incrementing the salaries with 20% hike. df2 equal to df dot with the column. df dot salary. df dot salary. The current salary. .20, right? Yes. df dot with the column salary, df dot salary plus df dot salary into 0.20. Yes. df dot with the column salary of df dot salary plus into 0.20 df2 dot show. Okay. Okay. See that salary previously 50,000 became 60. 60 became 72. 30 became 36. 70 became 84, right? Yes. With column salary plus salary into 20%, 20% hike. Or adding with a value. Adding 5,000 as bonus to each employee. df dot with column salary comma df dot salary plus 10.
So with column has some syntax or like with column, you specify column name and operation. So operation also replace
Yes.
the
Yes,
column.
yes. df dot with column specify the column name and just whatever operation you want to perform. There also independently the df has to be applied. Updating based on condition. Updating based on condition, right? Based on condition, yes. Here we use with column along with when. For example, modify. Wherever you see M into MALE, right? Modify F. from PySpark.sql.functions. From PySpark.sql.functions. Import when.
Sir, is there any command which we can use if we want to import anything? Suppose here we are specifying when. So like for all the functions we can import using that command.
From PySpark.sql.functions, import everything. Import star.
Okay, so after import we can say star, then it will work for
Import
all the
everything.
functions.
Yes. If you want
Okay.
specific one, you can go with this.
Okay, thanks.
So here df, for example, df4 equal to df dot with the column. For example, you want M to MALE, F to FEMA, which column you are sets for. And here within that when, whenever using when, df dot sex double equal to M. Double equal to M, give MALE. MALE. Don't submit, just give space or again. Dot when. Dot when. Df dot dot otherwise. Df dot so when M equal to MALE, if F equal to FEMALE, otherwise same. df4 dot show. Wherever you see MALE, wherever you see FEMALE. Next is
Here the first parameter will be the column name which we are going to perform the when condition, right? df.6.
so which column compulsory takes a column, which column, right? And on that, what
Okay.
you want to perform. Okay, that the
So
previous
at a time is it not possible to give two conditions, two column conditions?
df dot which column, on which column you want to perform transformation, right? On that column, you equate and salary column previous. Now transformation on gender column, sex. So which column, only that column you need to specify. Next, adding new column. Adding a new column. Adding a new column, right? With the default or constant or none, 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 or null value. Adding new column with default or constant or null value. Second, next, adding a new column. Adding new column based on another column. Adding column based on condition. Adding new column with a constant. Here we use lit function. Adding new column with a constant we use. Adding a new column. Hike percent. Adding a new column, hike percent. Okay. From PySpark.sc, from PySpark.sql.functions, import lit dfi equal to df dot with column, df dot with column, hike underscore percent. What is hike percent, comma, lit. 0.30, 30%. dfi dot show. You got a new column based on a constant, right?
So here lit is a literal value, right? 0.3.
Mhm.
Lit lit here is a value, right? Constant value, literal like 0.3.
Yeah, 0.3 is constant value. So hike percentage always we use what? For adding a new column with constant, we use lit function. The lit whatever you specify, that only the same thing will be available. For example, if you want to add null or none, then use lit of none. Adding column based on another column, based on another column. Adding column based on another column of a data frame. Generate two columns. Generate two columns. Tax and net salary. Generating two columns, tax and net salary. Based on existing. based on existing column salary. Generate two columns, tax and net sal, based on existing column salary. Tax and net salary based on existing column salary. So DFI. DF
Sir,
dot
with the above example, where we are defining the data type actually, creating the another column with the high percentage, right? But data type, how it will be decided?
we won't specify. Here while creating data, okay. Even while creating data frame, see the first one. While creating the data frame, did you specify any data type there? Only that data and column names. Here also the same.
So the data type will be identified automatically based on the
Value.
value, right? Yeah, okay.
DFI, DF dot with the column, right? Tax column. How the tax? DF dot salary. DF dot salary into 0.10. DFI dot salary, net salary. DFI you say. DFI dot which column? Net salary. DF dot salary. DFI dot salary minus DFI dot tax. Can you see tax and net salary, two new columns got added, right? Adding a column. Concatenating existing columns with separator. Concatenation with separator means we need to import one more function, import property, right? From PySpark.sql.functions, import concatenation with separator, right? Yes. df6 equal to df dot with the column. df6 equal to df dot with the column. What is the new column you want? emp id, emp name. What is the function? Concat with separator. Between them space. Concatenating with space, comma. What are the two column names? emp id, emp name.
EMP is misspelled.
What is it?
EMP name is misspelled in original data frame.
What is it? emp, yeah, okay, nme, right? Yes. df dot with column emp id is the new concat with emp id, emp. What is that? anme.
NMAE.
nme, okay. nme, right? nmae. Now these two will be concatenated with a new column you will be created with this concatenation of these two. df6 dot show. Okay, a new column, right, with concatenation of these two columns. Concatenation with separator. Next,
So what is the real time use for this concatenation?
this doesn't have much use case, so this is not much used. But anytime you want already existing columns, if you want to concat, make as one column in this. Generating new column. To just say about the function concat underscore ws, just I discussed it. Generating new column based on condition. Based on condition. Example, generate column. Generate column grade. Generate column grade. If salary greater than or equal to, salary greater than or equal to 70,000. If salary greater than or equal to 70,000, right? Yes. If salary greater than or equal to 50,000 and salary less than 70,000. Say grade B. Else grade C. Grade A, grade B, and grade C. Salary greater than 70, grade A. Salary greater than 50 and salary grade B, hence grade C. Here 2. From PySpark.sql.functions, import conditions means when you use and let you use. df dot with column, df dot with column. On which column? Grade column. Grade, what is the transformation you want? I'm giving slash. df dot salary, df dot salary greater than or equal to 70,000. Give lit means a constant, lit of grade A. Space.
So we have already import the when the first time. So do we need a required?
No need.
Mhm.
df dot salary, df dot salary less than 70,000.
First one doesn't appear in that.
What is it?
First one, when we use, we don't require any dot.
When salary greater than 70, say lit A, grade A. When salary less than 70 and above 50.
Yeah, so the dot, right? Why you keep that dot for second time?
Second time, right? Continuation. When salary lit A dot when. In the same line, if you write dot, you need to say. First time when dot is not required. You're starting with it. So here on which column? Grade column. Comma, give that whatever transformation you want to do. So starting with when. Lit A. Again continuation dot when. Again dot when. How many conditions? Dot when from there onwards. Salary less than
So that means after lit A, after
Dot.
lit A, just dot. Right?
Dot should be there, yes. If you don't want to give in different lengths, the same line you can continue. Dot when. df dot salary less than 70 and df dot salary greater than or equal to 50,000. Lit of B. Again, sorry, something unexpected character after line.
Vijay, there is no need of giving the lit function, right? We can directly give it as A, B.
Lit function for giving a constant value we use.
Yeah, I mean, even we have done that sex equal to M means male, right? It's also similar to that, right? Based on some condition, we are defining some value.
But here this grade previously M just replace that M with MALE. Wherever M is there, MALE. But here in this column, create a new column named grade.
Okay.
We are creating a new column grade. Whenever you create a new column, previously using lit, you are giving the value, right? Okay, where is it?
Yeah, to define the constant value, we are using this lit function.
Where it went? We used some constant value previously.
Yeah, here.
Here, a new column with constant value. That is lit required new value. But here, already existing column, just to modify M is there, MALE, modifying the value. Here you're not modifying.
Okay, got it.
And lit A, okay. Space slash again, give when. Dot when df dot salary less than 70,000,
Remove the space, sir.
df dot salary above 50,000.
Slash should not continue space after a slash.
Okay, space slash, right? Yes. Okay. df dot salary less than 70 and df dot salary above 50,000.
I think slash we need to remove it. Can you remove the slash? Because we are not going for the next line, right?
No, next line we are going. Just
Okay.
slash no space.
Brackets. You
Mm,
can check brackets.
df dot salary less than 70 and df dot salary above 50,000. Expected character of line continuation character.
If not required, then we can remove that slash.
Retype it. Can you retype it? Just slash.
Last line you are giving this slash, right? This I think that is not required. Line number 3.
In the first line, we have extra bracket, I think. Can you look into that? Lit A, you have closed the bracket, again we have closed it.
That only two call. Yes, yes, yes. In the first one, right? We have control L. So here lit grade when here one bracket is required here. DF dot salary greater than 70, say lit A, close it when. That bracket was missing there. Dot when. Now it will be fine. Alright?
Now we have to remove space.
Grade when bracket lit A let the last space is removed. When DF dot, okay.
I think that beginning one has not closed itself. With column, open bracket, that bracket hasn't closed.
DF dot salary is less than
That with column, right? With column, open bracket, that one is not closed.
okay, I'm coming to it. DF dot salary
And condition.
Think one
and
more
put
bracket, sir,
bracket.
and why we are giving the slash again at the end? It is not required, right?
and one more line is there, continuation.
One more, okay. Can we write in any tool this one and just copy and paste?
No, where is that error coming here? Unexpected character after line continuation.
So if you want to catch this kind of error, sir, we can use any third-party tool like PyCharm or something, right? There it will tell us exactly where is the problem. You have, I think, installed that third-party tool, right?
So there is no error at all here. DF syntactical error, unexpected character. See that DF dot with the column. See the first line with the column, grade and slash.
Let's type totally this is because I was expecting that with column hasn't been closed.
So in the first one, we don't need dot, right? Here in this line, before when we don't need any dot.
No.
Can you paste the same first statement dot when and check if we are getting the same error?
DF dot salary greater than 15, that lead to be.
Yeah.
Then here itself I'll continue. Don't go to the next line. Dot otherwise. Dot otherwise. Lit of C. Close this lid of C. Close. Otherwise, close otherwise and close with column. 3 are required. Dot show. Dot show. Yes. Okay. So there was some problem with that after that last character on it.
I think that time with column open bracket that was not closed.
But whenever you start, don't get submitted at the last. We are closing that with column, right? Yes. With the name. Okay. So what is that you got? Grades you got. Grades you got here. Okay. Understood, right? Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow. Yes, we are continuing since 4 o'clock. So tomorrow also can attend 4 to 5:30 p.m. 4 to 5:30 p.m. right? HBase practicals. No SQL HBase, no SQL database. HBase practicals. And at 6:30 PySpark class. So 4 to 5:30 can attend that HBase practicals. I just give an introduction to it. Tomorrow we'll see the practical part and 6:30 PySpark class.
Sir,
Okay, so-
PySpark, how many classes are remain, sir?
Remaining, okay. Next, I'll be discussing about that how to submit PySpark jobs, stages, tasks, those things, right? 2-3 weeks.
Okay.
Okay, and one more thing, this session, like HPS practical, so could you please share the recording once it is done? Because I am not able to attend. That is early morning to me. Okay,
4 to 5:30. Okay.
yeah,
I know. Yes, yes, it will be shared to all, right? So I'll ask
okay,
them to keep in the PySpark drive only.
okay, yeah. Thank you, and please share the today's notes. Thank you.
Yes, yes. So this HBase video, you people will be getting in the PySpark along with PySpark, right? Okay. So you will get 2 videos. One is HBase, one is 2 videos, the same folder. Okay, fine.